Ninja's character is very similar to me. I'm not sure about that. Let's go here and play bishop e3. I think how do I gambit? He's not letting me gambit here. I guess I'll go d3 and takes. Have I tried joining FaZe Clan, or was it always TSM? Well, I mean, I was never approached by FaZe Clan ever, so I mean, no. But no, I mean, to me, that was never really an equation. I want to actually talk. I mean, I shouldn't even really talk about the orgs that approached me, but they were not one of them. There were a couple of orgs that approached me. I'm glad you're with TS. I'm not a fan of Banks. I mean, I would say that the orgs that really that impressed me. I mean, the three orgs that impressed me these days are I mean, obviously TSM. I would say TSM, Cloud9, and 100 Thieves are the three orgs that I like. I actually really like. Let's go rook e1 and knight c4 here. So yeah, Ninja doesn't stream, so you're much cooler. No, Ninja does stream. Thank you to Left Bishop for the 6 months. We rated Ninja maybe a couple of weeks ago. Was Wesley playing for the US? I don't know. I assume he's in Europe. I mean, the Chess24, they're apparently, I don't know if that was legit that someone wrote in my chat, but they said he was playing for the US. I find it very hard to believe that he came back to the US with the Croatia tournament starting so soon. Now, maybe he did, but to me, it's hard to believe. Can we reach 1100 before Arena Kings? If I really start trying to win games in a minute, yeah, but I'm going to focus. What about Envy? I don't really know much about Team Envy, but the thing is, like, when I look at the orgs, like, I kind of need like people within the orgs who I can like get behind, or people who I'm fans of, and I feel like in the competitive scene, Envy doesn't have much. Like, when I look at 100 Thieves, you have like Courage, you have Nade Shot. I mean, those are two guys who are like huge content creators, and I mean, they also have played a lot of COD. You know, if I look at you know, like TSM, obviously they've got League. Cloud9 also has like League and Valorant, a lot of games as well, and so like, I don't know. But didn't you notice how tired Wesley was, especially yesterday? I wasn't watching. But yeah, it's like I need someone who's like competitive in a game, like really competitive, to kind of get behind, or you know, some team in one of the sports. Levon Magneto will be a close match. Magnus has really done well against Levon. Go here in Queen C7. FaZe Clan is members, with each member having over 5 million subs. Aiden Ross, Rice Gum Banks. So you don't like FaZe Clan? I didn't even know Aiden Ross was with FaZe Clan. So